In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Manus AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Manus AI or just looking for a quick refresher, these simple steps will get you up and running in no time. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Manus AI account. Open your browser and head to the Manus AI homepage. Once there, enter your login credentials. If you haven't set up an account yet, take a moment to do so. This will give you access to all the features Manus AI has to offer. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 small dots there. This is often referred to as the menu or options button. Clicking these 3 dots is your gateway to additional settings and options. It's a handy little spot where you can manage various aspects of your Manus AI experience. Once you've clicked it, a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down until you see options like Cast, Save, and Share. It's in this section where you can manage how you interact with the application. This flexibility allows you to tailor the app to suit your individual needs, making it incredibly user-friendly. Next, look for the option that says Install Page as an App. This is crucial because you're not just bookmarking the page, you're turning it into an app we can run from your device. So when you see it, go ahead and click on it. Following that, you'll encounter a prompt asking you to confirm the installation. This is your green light. Simply click the Install button. This action is what transitions the web app into a standalone application that can be used just like any other software on your computer. It's as easy as that. Once installation is complete, you'll find the Manus AI app installed on your desktop. It'll show up as a shortcut icon, allowing for quick access whenever you need it. Plus, it's added to your list of installed apps so you can launch it just like any other program. This feature enhances usability by making it faster and more straightforward to reach Manus AI when you're in the creative zone. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you have successfully downloaded and installed Manus AI. With the app now installed, you can enjoy all its features and streamline your creative projects without any hassle. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to content. See you next time.